This time we're going to figure out how to use the Windows desktop software to read and write parameters to the BMS. We've got the BMS powered up with a bench power supply, and then this is the communication box that's supplied by the manufacturer. Now we need to download the software, which I have on my GitHub page. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, download desktop app. It's a zip file, and then click download. My computer is giving me a warning that that zip files may be dangerous. I'm going to keep the file, and then I'm going to open. Okay, now this is a zip file. I'm just going to click extract all. It's going to extract in the download folder, that's fine. You can put it wherever you want. Extract. Okay, now we have the zip file open. We're going to double click that, and then there's the application. There's no installation procedure, we can just run the app. Now, Windows is giving me this weird thing, just click no. You don't need anything else. And we did not need a driver, okay? We did not install a driver for the communication box. We just plugged it in and Windows recognized it as a generic communication port. Only if that doesn't work, there will be a driver available, but I would just try it first. Now we have the application open. We need to switch it to English. And then we're going to choose a COM port. You may have to guess at which COM port is correct on your computer. In this case it's COM 7, and I'm going to click OK, and we'll see, and then we're going to click Start. We say reading device, read device successful, and we have the current voltages and status. It's showing us that the discharge and charge transistors are off right now. What I want to do is go to parameters. So we click the parameter tab, and then we're going to click read. So we're reading. Now we're showing all the current parameters that are loaded in the BMS. Unfortunately, on this, everything seems to be abbreviated. One thing that we're interested in here is charge under temperature protection. It's set at -1 degree Celsius, and then it will reset or release at 5 Celsius with a delay of 2 seconds. We're going to try changing that parameter. We're going to change it to 2 Celsius, and then we're going to click write. It would be a good idea to save this before you make any changes. So I'm going to click write. It's working. And it's done. So now we can go read again to confirm. And we see that charge under temperature protection is still at 2 degrees Celsius. So this all works, but what we have found is that the iPhone app is much easier to use than either this desktop app or the Android app. Everything is spelled out and it works well. The only thing is you have to pay $6 on the App Store for the iPhone app, but honestly it's worth it. It's much better developed. But this is free if you want to try it.